Before sending a style to plot, first arrange the pattern pieces on the work area. Go to Edit, Arrange Work Area. Select whether to plot only pieces on the work area, selected pieces only, or only pieces with the same material. There are many other options available such as pieces rotation allowed, rotate to horizontal grain line, scatter pieces, which will bring in the opposite piece for anything with quantity 2, sort by material, show hidden half, visible sizes only, and include variation grading. In the frame section, set the maximum area width and length, and how much gap to put between the pieces. Click OK, and the system will arrange the pieces within the frame size. Click the Plot tool. The plotter drop-down list includes any plotters which have been configured, and the PDF plot option. PDF plot files saved to the C drive in the plotters folder, under PDF. Give the file a name and select which sizes to plot. You can also add a note, user info, and the current date. Before clicking OK, select any of these options: 90 degrees rotation, 180 degrees rotation, plot each size separately, plot cut contours only, or plot measurements. Click OK to create the PDF, then go to the PDF folder to open the file in a PDF viewer.